Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. So this tip is one that you may not know about. Okay, so in this one I'll be showing you how you can adjust the brightness of the torch on the back. Okay, so a lot of people just turn on the torch, so they pull down the notifications and they turn on the torch. However, they do not know that the torch does come with an adjustment, so you can adjust the brightness. So if you long press on it, it brings up the brightness slider bar. Okay, so there's 5 levels. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So you can just slide it to whichever level you want. So you can turn it right down or you can turn it right up. So it's on level 5 there, that's the maximum. And it's on level 0 there. And I've turned it right back up to level 5. Okay, so it does explain here that the camera light may cause low temperature burns when in prolonged contact with the skin. Avoid leaving torch turned on for an extended period. But yeah, guys, all you have to do is just slide the bar to the level that you want and hit done. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you turn up the brightness on the torch on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Also share the video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you knew that the torch came with the slider that you can adjust the brightness. Okay, that's it. I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.